All right, we're here in Tigard. It's a beautiful, lovely day in this fall weather here in the Pacific Northwest. And where are we going to be going today?
Well, in this little cute shopping area, there's a place called Dunbury Factory. Japanese rice bowls.
Ooh, Japanese comfort food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is AMPM Taste Test, where we check out the coolest and hottest restaurants we find on Instagram. And we've been seeing this one for a while. This is Dunbury Factory over here in Tigard, and we're going to try out these tasty Japanese comfort food, which is exciting because we've been getting hit with it in our feed for a long time. It's kind of out of the way, but hopefully it tastes good. All right, we got the menu right here. Oh, this looks yummy. It's a pretty small restaurant.
Mm-hmm. It's cool. The kitchen's just right here. You can hear them cooking. And it's really busy, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
It's popping.
What'd you order?
I ordered teriyaki chicken don. From the picture, it looked really good. It had a lot of sauce on it. I'm excited to try that.
For my order, what did I get? I got a fried chicken, which looks very tasty. Comes with a spicy mayo and miso soup. Kind of warm, but I love miso soup, and so hopefully it tastes really good. Sounds good. I mean, it's like a bunch of sizzling happening over here. We saw somebody cutting up some tuna and all kinds of stuff over there. It's pretty cool. Pretty excited. This might be a good one.
Here we are. Teriyaki chicken, extra sauce, miso, soup, and the fried chicken. Some sauce on there.
Looks really delicious, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, that's awesome.
Fried chicken into this. Very good. Very good.
Cool.
Look at that thing.
Presentation A plus.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. So go right for it. It's saucy.
Is it good as that looks?
It is. It's very good flavor and texture. Chicken. I might just scarf this one down. Very soft and supple. And then the sesame seeds add like a nice crunch to it too. Yeah, that's good.
Gonna take a break from the chicken. I'm gonna try this miso soup out. Pretty good. Fun fact, I always wanted to have a miso machine in my house. And I don't know where you get one, but I always wanted one to like, has like a little machine you could fills it up with miso soup and you just eat that. But this is really good. And if I were to have that machine, I would want one of these things in there. Very good. Yum. Halfway. Look at those sauces. Sauces are getting killed. Very delicious.
Very good.
Quick
Love
question. Since this is coming into the fall season, This is, would you consider this to be a good fall meal?
Yeah. Especially if you're getting the chillier side. It's kind of warm in here and you're eating this warm dish. It's so, yeah, it would definitely, I think it would definitely be good. Also, baby likes it too. She's kicking around.
Ooh.
If you didn't know, I'm very pregnant now, so fueling my body is important. This is baby approved.
Wow. Okay, we finished here, finished there, and got a little leftover to take
A
home.
little bit, yeah. So good. I really like this. It's probably the best teriyaki I've ever had. It's very
Ever had.
I don't know, it's very sweet and supple and it's like just yummy and delicious.
Yeah, I would agree that teriyaki sauce is pretty fire.
Yeah, it's really good. I loved it. It's a cool place to go. I'd definitely come back. I would want to try like maybe their poke bowls. Cause I don't know, you just can't. From the menu, it looked like you couldn't order anything wrong. The poke bowls look really good. I just like it's a little too risky for me to have raw fish, but the teriyaki was good. That fried chicken, I had a bite of AMPM was really good. Pretty fire.
I enjoyed it quite a bit. I mean, the rice was like perfect sushi rice, which was really good. The chicken was like your typical fried chicken, had very light breading that was on it, kind of a little bit like that. What do you call it?
Tempura?
Tempura, but not really. It was more flaky. Tempura has like more like little balls. Like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. But it was really good. Overall, I did enjoy it a lot. What I would do next time, though, is I would get another teriyaki sauce. So once you get down to the rice part of it, you can pour that sweet teriyaki sauce on the rice, and then eat that with the spicy mayo and then with the fried chicken, and then you got a fire meal. So that's gonna be really good. That's my secret tip for you, and I enjoyed it a lot. It lives up to the hype. Instagram did not let us down on this one. And I'm back again because I forgot to review the miso soup. Miso soup was pretty good. It's just like, you know, just your I won't say average because average sounds like it's bad, especially nowadays. But sometimes average is what you want. It's just like the baseline. A baseline miso soup. So if you just eat that, just that. Medium, your expectations not to get blown away, but it's not going to be let down. This is what that is. So definitely a solid B. All right, that's AMPM taste test for you at the Donburi Factory, where they have Japanese comfort food. One quick tip we want to give, it's a pretty small venue, so if you come with more than like 4 people, it's going to be a really tight fit. So it's best to go as a couple. But other than that, we give you a big fat peace.